Uy! Bak! Mas! Isip to. Uy! Uy! Laro. Bilis! Bilis mo! Bilis mo! Hello guys! Welcome back na naman sa ating channel, page, and your favorite or not favorite joke or KGP na lang. And explain ko lang why ako nawala ng siguro 1 month and 2 weeks or 1 week. Well, October hasn't been great or fantastic for me, so ganun na nga, kaya nawala ako ng halos ilang araw, weeks, days, and a month nang walang update sa page, sa YouTube, sa TikTok, or kahit sa ano. Ay, sa TikTok meron ako update dun. May nakita nyo naman, di ba guys, na may pagsayaw-sayaw ako. Pero may nakita rin kayo dun isang upload na like depressed ako. Well, kasi na-depressed talaga ako noong October. Whole month, I've been lost, misguided, and depressed. And that's why ngayon medyo okay na ako. And ayun lang naman yung backstory, but wala ako ng isang buwan. And now, gusto ko nang magbalik ulit sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa live. Siguro magla-live ako next week after exam. Ay, ngayong week na pala exam kaso wala mong pasok bukas eh. Kaya delay na naman. Pero after exam, magla-live stream na ako. Sa bukas, planado na to. Itutuloy ko na to guys. Kaso hindi ko alam anong laro. Comment down below na lang. And yun lang. Enough with the intro. Welcome sa Roblox game siya. Well, technically Roblox game na ewan ko kung Roblox ba talaga to. Which is, anong tawag ko? Gabi si Chika, tumayo na naman. Shit. May update siya, nakita ko. Nalaro ko na to noon kaso hindi naman masyado kasi nga, ewan ko bakit. Pero ito siya. Five Nights at Freddy's to Reimagined. And as you can see, sa Roblox naman siya nalaro. And yun naman. Tama na sa kaka-intro at puro da. Let's play. Wait lang. Tingnan muna natin settings. Phone call, camera sway. Uy, may sway pala dito. Show controls. Nice. Extras, mamaya na yan. So, let's go. Ay, meron pa pala dito. Night 6, damn. Last time na nilaro ko to, wala to. New game. Start. Paano ba laruin to? Well, nalaro ko naman noon yung FNAF 2, FNAF 3, lahat ng FNAF nalaro ko na noon. Kasi ito na Imagine version daw to eh. Sheesh, may loading screen po. Click on the keys when you're ready. Paano kung flashlight ang chinik ko? Oh, wala magawa yan. So, keys. What? Ano tong controls na to? Sa FNAF wala to ah. Original FNAF. What? 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 Ang lag. Wait naman, malag ba? Oh yes, good. What? Ano yung flashlight dito ulit? Wait. Ah, yun, meron dito. So, paano mag-back? Ah, what? Ayun. Mas. Ano gawin na ito? What? Oo nga sa nga na. Damn, ang hirap ano yung control. Beacon. Damn, ba't nagalo kayo agad? What the heck? Ba't nagalo sila lahat? Wait, sino yan? Si Manggagog, si Kamas. Wait lang, FNAF ba talaga to? Tingnan natin. Tags. Yan, max natin. Ay, nakalimutan ko lagi nasa Roblox tayo.
When you open it up, you'll see the tape I put on each switch to indicate which camera it controls. Use them to reactivate any camera that goes dark here. I'm not a master electrician, but the wiring will get the job done. There weren't enough switches for all of the cameras, so I only hooked up the most important ones. The remaining ones are wired up to the main breaker in the parts and service room.
Taas na
You won't
sensitivity
need to
na ito.
worry about those. As you've seen during the day shift, the animatronics love to stretch their legs, even when they are supposed to be off. Henry had some technical explanation about their joints locking up or something,
Same
but
pa
I
rin eh.
didn't pay much attention. If you don't see them on the cameras, you can check the hallway with your flashlight. Henry and William both assured me that the animatronics were harmless, but just in case, I figured out a way to get them to leave the office. At least with the newer models, they were designed to interact with other characters. So I snatched an old Freddy headpiece from the parts and service room. Putting that on your head will trick the newer models into thinking you're one of them. Try it out. It might smell though. It's pretty old. Great. One more thing.
Sanay
You'll
ako
hear an
dati sa
alarm
may
periodically
gaganon lang
once they
yung
start
screen.
moving. All this means is that an animatronic tripped one of the ventilation motion sensors. Alright, I think that's everything for tonight. I'm not gonna call you again. You know, with the boss breathing over my shoulder.
Tapos ng ano ito ah. May bagong feature na. Oops. Ano meron doon? Ah, yung camera. Camera 9? 9? Kasi 9. Ah, 9 siya. Oh, si Bunny. Ano nangyari sa 10? Ah. Yung withered animatronic, di naman siguro gagalaw ngayon. Wala na music box dito. Siyempre, yun yung pinakamahirap dati sa ano eh. Ah, siguro yung compensation yun, siguro yung ano. Ito. Camera system. Wala na siya. Ba't palagi ko pinipindot yung box? Si Bunny. Uy. Ah, pwede mo na yung agad dun. Nice. Si Chica nawawala na. Eh, si Chica din. Nakikita mo sila. Malis ka dyan. Pasok. Malis ka na dyan. Si Bunny. Ba't may tumutunog? Oops. Oh, si Bunny. Uy, visit. Gulat ako dun. Hindi, malapit na ng kamay niya dun ah. Ito na siya. Nagawa. Ano pa silbi ng camera? Kay Freddy? Grabe yung camera movement. Oh. Uy! Oh, nautik na! Visit! Oh, mali na pipito. Again na. Ulit. Pwede na. Yun, inabahan ako dun ah. Si Bunny, saan napunta lagi? Oops. Oh. Grabe, stress. Oh. Gabi, kinabahan ako dun ah. Okay, night 1, done. What? Nare-restart siya every time na may bagong ano. This game contains what? Ganon yun? Damn. Parts and service. Pasok. Pasok yan. Okay, nabasa na natin yan. Ba't ganon? Continue. Sunod yan. Anong day na? Ay, anong night na? Damn, kailangan ko masanay dun sa may ano. Tuesday. Second night. Let's take the keys. Yeah. Fuse, mask, spacebar. Kala ko yung mouse R talaga pipindutin mo. Oops, lakas ng ano, bola na.
Michael, are you there? I wasn't planning on calling you again, but it turns out Henry's not going to monitor any of my calls after your first shifts. Yippee, right? Now I can say whatever I want. Figured dropping you a few more messages during your first week wouldn't hurt.
Wala, hindi na
Especially
pop yung
considering the
ilong.
situation you're in right now.
Ay, si Chica ba?
Remember when you used to do maintenance on those older models during the day shifts? They always gave me the creeps, like they were staring right through me. They were fine with the kids back at the old diner, but here, something feels off about them. And let me tell you, despite whatever reassurance William might try to give you, those things get aggressive after hours. They've trashed the place multiple times when I was on night duty, and I almost lost my job because of it. Anyway, I learned the hard way that the Freddy mask won't fool them. You know that Fox character I was talking about, Foxy the Pirate? The one they decommissioned back at the diner? He's going to either stare right into one of your cameras, or stare at you right down the hallway. Those older models have always been sensitive to light. It was one of their main flaws. You can get Foxy to go away by shining your flashlight at him for a couple of seconds, or by using that camera beacon I talked about yesterday. I think you know the real reason I installed it now. Anyway, he'll make some weird gargle noise once he leaves. I think it just means that his system is rebooting. I'll get him to leave you alone at least. If you don't get him to go away fast enough, God help you. Okay, what I'm about to say stays only between you and me, alright? I got a close up William fitting those older models today with newer parts. I checked the maintenance logs, and sure enough, there's nothing there about repairing the old models. I don't know what he's up to, and I'm kind of tempted to go to Henry about it. I think I'm just gonna wait, see if he
Ano
does
pa itong
anything else
kausap
that
natin?
Henry
Sino
wouldn't
to nasa
approve
phone,
of.
guy? Gabi,
I
hindi
think
ko
that's
phone guy
everything
na.
for tonight. I'll probably have some more information for you tomorrow. Remember,
Nice.
I never called you, okay? Alright, good night.
Okay, the night begins. Si Foxy daw ay buhay na. Si Bunny naglalakad na. Ito ay Bunny pala. Kasi walang shortcut dito sa may beacon. Kailangan mo pa idag yung bilis ah. Hindi ko alam saan dito. Disney Foxy eh. Si Chica. Takot si Foxy, ba't nagtiteleport? Si Bunny nasan? Kailangan ko lagi yung mask. Babaw. Ano nagawa na? Limutan ko. siya yung nag-ano ng camera. Erated. Bilis, 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 bilis. Sipak, 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 sipak. Bilis, bilis, bilis. Hot 12. Aling kami yung binubuksan ko. Uy! Sip ka. Kagulat ka. Okay. Pwede na lang para. Ito yung gitna. 12. Oops, yung ano yun? Yung camera to 3. Ano naman siya susugod eh. Oops. Oops. Eh guys, bilis lang pala ng night natin. One camera, one. Yes! Talikod, 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 talikod. Oops, lapit na ng kamay mo. Back. Teleport ka, daya ka. Ano yung ba't natibak na mabilis ang puso? Ito ba naman, sino hindi kakabahan dito? Ay, yun si Bunny nasa gilid. Hindi makita yun. Si Chico nandito, si Bunny. Sit up. Sinunod pa rin. 5 AM. Ulul! Ulul! Okay, bye-bye. Wala yung mga bata. Wala mga ganun. Damn, pangit naman. Eh, ngayon nagpapasaya sa ano eh. Wednesday, nice. Yun. Akala ko nag-reset siya bigla eh. Get the keys. We know what to do. Medyo sanay na yung kamay ko. Daliri ko dito sa keybinds. Mouse, medyo sanay. Kasi di pa technically sanay. Sakit sa tenga. Agad tayo. Hindi pala si Foxy.
You there? I've got a couple more things to warn you about. Hopefully they haven't already started moving. I'm sure you've noticed Mangle. Yeah, that's what we call her. She's over by the prize corner. Now, I don't know what they were thinking with that one. Seriously, take one look at that animatronic and tell me it wouldn't traumatize you as a kid. I've never seen her move during my shifts, but if she ever activates, somehow, the Freddy mask trick should work on her too. Remember, the mask works only on the newer models. As I said last night, William started fitting those older models with new parts. I think Freddy was the one he was messing with, because I heard that tune from the old diner in there today. I'm just taking a wild guess, but if William is using the newer parts, Freddy will be able to walk around too, which he was never able to before. Depending on the parts William is using, he may or may not be fooled by the mask. If not, the flash beacon should still work on drawing him away. Anyway, the day shift was interesting, to say the least. The janitor began to complain about a strange smell coming from the parts and service room. The room was locked up tight, but the smell was coming through the sill of the door. It smelled like mold. I don't know. Maybe a rat or something died there. I tried to find William so I could ask, but he was nowhere to be found.
Baka siya yung nandun.
I got some news about Henry. It turns out his daughter went missing a couple of days ago.
Yo.
They filed a missing persons report and everything, but still no leads. Just wanted to let you know
Sister
that's what he is
location?
doing it. God, I hope
You
she's
don't
alright.
know.
Anyway, I'll let you get back to
Hindi
it.
ko pa pala nalaro
Keep
yun.
safe, Michael. And if you need anything,
Well,
I'm just a call away. Good night.
follow Freddy's follows set flush him on the camera sa sen. Oh, di ko na gets. Uy. Saan siya? What? Ano go kay Freddy? What? Ano go sa kanya? At gulat kayo. Anong ginagawa kay Freddy no? Ay, nawala na siya. Oops. Yes, alam mo na paano sila counterin. Ah, dun yung simula niya. Gets. 10 12 7 tsaka papunta yung git. Balik dun. Oops, sabay sila. Nice. Nagigits ko. Oops, ayoko. Night trip pala naman to guys. Kaya magiging mahirap pa to. Si Freddy. Lamok. Ayan. Hindi naman ako masarap. Parang lamukin eh. Ready ko lang siya doon. Alam ko na sound yun ni ano. Tumatawa si Foxy. Tapos si Freddy tumatawa din. Back. Ayan si Foxy. Bye-bye. Paano pa nagsabay yung oops? Okay, 5 AM. Ano nagawa nito Freddy? Ano nagawa ng jukebox? Ooh, Cargo Developments Night 3, yes. Yay! Sakit pa rin sa tenga talaga nga. Pwede mo ba i-mute to? Ay, pwede mo nga i-mute.
William finally showed his face, but he locked himself in that damn parts and service room any more of the older models are active tonight, which I'm certain they will be, keep shining their face with your flashlight. Since they're not fooled by the mask, if you wear it when they're crawling up to you in the vent, it might be too late. My advice would be to hold a flashlight at whichever vent entrance they're coming through before they make it to your office. You'll probably be able to distinguish them from the rest just by the weird sounds they make. A thought just hit me, Michael. William locks the parts and service store before he leaves. How in the world are the older models leaving that room? Only he has the key. I don't suppose you can check. No, it's fine. I wouldn't risk it. Just stay in your office. You're safest there.
Hindi, wow.
If I get the chance tomorrow, I'm gonna sneak into the parts and service room while it's unlocked to find out what William is doing in there.
Yan,
If
tama
it's
yan.
what I think it is, never mind. I'll let you know what's going on. Good night, Michael. Stay safe.
Good night. Sana ganitong kabilis lang din ang oras sa totoong buhay. Oops, yun na si Bonnie. Uy, ang bilis nyo. Uy, mas. Bak. Uy! Damn! Mali na pintot ko. Kala ko si Chika. Nakita ko pala sa camera si Withered Chika. Ayan na siya. Bilis mo. Bilis mo. Ba't ang bilis mo ba? Grabe. Balik. Balik. Sino mauna sa inyong dalawa? Siya. Bak. Isit ko. Pagulat sila. Bak. AM na, 4 AM. Last 2 hours. Yan. Taxi. Bilis, grabe. Patrot ka ngayon, Freddy. Saan man nag-bed? Grabe si Freddy, tad. It's war done. Last night na pala to. Ang bilis. Ikaw ba natin, guys? Di ko alam eh. Pwede 6 night na show. Ano yung custom night? Regular AI values. Ito lahat sila. All 20. Di natin kaya yan. Maps. Enter map code. What? Pag ni-next part ko pa to, magiging short episode na lang siya. Siguro, episode ulit. Magiging short video lang siya. Hindi. Sige, try na natin. Pag natalo tayo dito, then next part na lang siya, next video. Or pag nanalo naman tayo dito, di masaya. Di night 6 na tayo, sabay custom night. Kung ano man yung night 6 tsaka custom night na to. Then, let's go! Nabilisan lang sana sa editing. Friday. Sana ganyan kabilis yung weekdays. Michael. Si Michael Afton tayo. Tapos si William yung Ayan na, natawag na. Last phone call na natin, guys.
Damn it, Michael. He found me snooping in it, and he fired me on the spot. There's nothing I could have done. I couldn't see much in the room. All the lights were broken. The smell, it was horrible. I'm sorry, Michael, but I need you to check. Finish your shift. I'll stop moving at 6 a.m., I'm sure of it. I know he's hiding something in there. I just know it. God, it was so close. Look, Michael, I don't care if I'm out of the job now. This is bigger than that. There's something going on in that parts and service room. And given what happened back at the old diner, I think I know what it is. You're the only one left who can get in there without raising suspicion.
Ulul.
Please, just finish your shift and take a look for me. If it's what I think it is, you might want to call the police.
Paano kung di ako nakasurvive?
Big time, man.
Sino ba ito? Phone guy na to. Ayun na, nagalaw na sila lahat. Okay, back. Ay, wala pa pala siya na. Balik ka. Aggressive, grabe. Back. Yan, nakapila sila lahat sa gilid. Wait, lumipat siya. Sabi niya hindi siya kasya doon. Si Chika parating na. Maling vent, maling camera na ko. Oops! Muntik na kita flashlightan, basic. Uy, magkasunod, dayo. Nakakagulat lagi yun. Balik. Balik. Oops, limutan ko. Sa harapan ko pala siya. Oops. Sabay kayo? What the heck? Hindi pala yun. Angas naman yung shit ko ito. Siyalo na, Pax. Galing niya to sa gilid eh. Back money, back. Oops. Grabe. Mga robot ba talaga kayo? Daig niya pa mga tao. Man. Balik na. Oops, back. Uy! Back! Mas! Isip to, muntik na matalo dahil sa camera na to. Korean. Thank you, diyan ka sa harap ko naman. Thank you. Chika. Okay na siya. Oops! Go! Si Chika na sa camera, ba't si Bunny lumabas? Na. What? Nangyari? Oh, what?
Michael, William just pulled into the parking lot. You need to get out of there now. Don't even bother with the parts and service room anymore. Just get the hell out. He knows you're in the middle of your shift. There's no other reason he would be there than to. Just get out. I'm waiting outside in my car right now. It's hidden in the foliage. I called the police, but they won't be here for a while. This place is in the middle of nowhere. Wait. He's messing with something on the side of the building. Hold on. Let me...
Shimay. Damn, nag-interrupt yung sequence kay Chika sa cutscene na to, bisit. Ang ingay mo. Ulubot ka pa talaga pumasok. Ayan, magiging. Ito yung dugo. Ano yun? Wala yung ready? What? Nagka-teleport? Condom, I'm not going to hurt. He's afraid of me. He won't follow in. You're really picture. Charlotte? Oh, hindi. What do you mean by that? Look at me. That's right. You hurt us. Thank you, magiging. That's really bad. I was bleeding. I did not fall asleep. I can't move anymore. Yes, I was bleeding right here. I think after that, I don't remember much. Then I woke up here and everybody else with you. My friends were here. He hurt them too. I tried to stop him. Haba. But the more I cried, the more it hurt. I just wanted them to be safe. I'm sorry. You said he hurt us. Who is? You know who he is. I believe I do. It's right here. I know that you won't come into anywhere. He's a familiar. Friends are your friends. The ones are yes, but they're confused and angry. They're looking for the wisdom. Why are they so aggressive to me? I didn't. William was my friend. He hurt us. I don't know. Because you're right. That visit ka, butan lalo ng pagkika mo. Pero tama naman yan, ikaw kinakausap ng robot. It's not that easy. I can't talk to them the same way I can talk to. They won't listen to me. I think they're still in shock. How do you know that? How do you know that? My father knew William. They were business partners. I've never thought he would hurt us. I trust him. I don't feel any different. I can still see my hands and they look like my own. I just feel a little cramped. If you think that is too much, I'll go. If I think about it too much, I'll go. Where did William hide you and your friends after he hurt you? I don't know. As I said, I feel as if he hit. Is there any way I can help? you or your friends have to burn this place to the ground. What? It's the only way to help my friends. They'll get nothing from revenge and only make them more confused. Okay. One more thing, guys. The head will run on a fighting like hell, waiting for me to kill him. Things unlike the others. He believes that when my friends immediately kill evil, they get closer to me. It's a pipe dream, but it's not true. He's been trying to get us out for days now. Why am I destroying? It's a pipe dream, but his last resort has been trying to get us out for days now without destroying cargoes. Putik na! Ano naman kasi nila? Your father just said he and your older son. His name is Henry White. Your father. Yes, his name is Henry Christian. I don't know. He's been looking for you. By the mystery report. Find that sooner or later. I think I'm ready. Thank you for this. Break those pipes in the kitchen and move this flammable recipe. Do you have a lighter? Of course. We're deciding in the bottom right now, waiting for it to walk up. Shortly, they're relentless as you. It doesn't have the slightest clue how aggressive they've gotten. It won't be. You'll get back to the scene that keyboard. Quietness, quick search, and let's let this place become a bad man. Ba't may hinga pa rin? Di ba naman yan? Tagal naman ang hinga natin. Nag-glitch. Developer kung na mapanood mo man to. Developer ng the UR Country Farmer Restaurant Friday was destroyed by a fire early Friday morning. Investigators believe that the starting with the malicious intent. Police discovered that remains of former security guard Ryan Miller on scene. Police were unable to locate the two owners of... What? Di po tapos magbasa eh. Developer ng laro ng game na to sa Roblox, kung napapanood mo man to, ay, siguro English, siguro maintindihan mo. So, the developer of this game, I found the bug where the cutscene and the sequence where Chica or the Phantom animatronics or even animatronics can interfere with the cutscene and that ratings. Oh my god. Well, that's all, and uy, may 1 star na tayo. Eee! Siguro yung second star na ito makuha natin 6 night or tapos yung third star sa custom night. Well, yun na naman guys. Wait lang, may shop dito. Ano nagawa na shop? Plushies. Paano may purchase yun? Robux. Nice. Ganda na marketing strat ng ano nito Boxy, Golden Freddy. Paano mag-back to? Cheats. Wait, faster nights. Will may completing a night will does absolutely nothing. Expect make your flashlight look awesome. You will be able to earn badge with this script. Whoa. Animatronic now allows you to bring a tablet display all the animatronics location. Completing a night with this will not reward you as a badge. Donation. Hindi ako mag-donate sa kanya. Well, kung may Robux lang ako developer, magdo-donate talaga ako sa'yo. Kaysa wala. Okay, mahina. I'm a poor broken dude. Well, yun na naman guys. This is FNAF or Five Nights at Freddy's 2 Reimagined. Kung gusto niyo man laruin to guys, link down below. And kung gusto niyo man na ako i-add sa Roblox, here's my ano ba tawag dito? Profile or my name, Joper or Joper YT. And yun lang naman guys. Thank you. you so much for watching. Kung na-enjoy nyo man to, give a like. And yun lang, like lang. Tapos, kung gusto nyo pa marami videos dito, such as this one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we are a growing family, of course. So, kung gusto nyo man maging updated sa mga susunod na videos pa, click the bell icon. And yun lang naman, follow my page na rin, nasa link down below. TikTok ko rin kung gusto nyo follow, nandun din ako nag-update or mga bagay na kaloko na ginagawa ko, like sayaw ng mga trending dance, mga ganon, or mga shorts. Well, yun na naman. Thank you sa panonood and see you guys. Joper out. Wait, nakalimutan ko, meron pa palang part 2 nito. And next time, yung Night 6 tsaka yung Custom Night, di ko lang kung nasabi ko yun eh, pero ito pa rin. Bye kayo. Yun lang. Joper out. Bye!